This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ornare. Porsche Design Tower's best duplex penthouse and floor plan. The unmatched quality, customizations, and smart home technology. Dramatic 21-feet ceilings, breathtaking unobstructed ocean and city views, 2 private balconies, one of them with a private pool, custom-designed living room with Seura TV. Custom built by Ornare in all closets. Gourmet chef's kitchen, walk-in pantry, and wine cellar. Seamless Calacatta marble slab in matte white, sourced from Tuscany. All walls are re-insulated and soundproofed. Frameless doors, Italian tiled pool, summer kitchen, and an outdoor Italian kitchen with Wolf appliances. 4-car sky garage. Only the unit at Porsche Design Tower with antibacterial, antivirus UV air filtration system.